All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy JD on 3. As you saw, I was riding. I had a customer. She said that she got into a little accident. Her whole top half of her fender broke. So this is what it looks like. The other day when I came over and checked it out, I went on ahead, removed the 4 bolts that are down here at the bottom. Now we just basically need to take out 2 screws at the top. There's 2 screws at the top here. Take those screws out. Take this broken piece off and then replace it with a new piece, which I have in the trunk actually. So let's get into that. So I've got the camera set up. It may be a little hard to see, so I'm gonna try to do the best I can with the lighting situation. I really didn't want to, and as I'm sitting here trying to adjust a little bit, I really didn't want to move her bike out, just because it's just more things to mess with. So we're just gonna leave it in here. Looks like I've got enough room, and y'all see my damn hand in the way. Looks like I've got enough room, so that looks pretty good. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's get into this install and this fix. All right, you guys, so I've got the new fender here, brand new from the shop. Got lucky with this one, and so from the quick video that you guys just seen, all I basically had to do was take out those last 2 bolts. Last 2 screws. Take the light out, which was a disconnect. Looked like there was a screw in the reflector, and then simply just pop the light out, which is easy enough. So we'll just pop the old light back into this new fender and reconnect everything, and hopefully that'll do it. All right, you guys, so the part you really didn't get to see through that is there's these 2 screws at the top that you have to take out, and you also have screw here and a screw there that you also have to take out. Also put those back in, and the actual connection pieces are little clamps. They're very hard to put in. You basically have to smack them. So I had to smack them, get everything into place. As you can see, everything there is into place, looks good. And then your light here, you have to reconnect it there. But besides that, that's about it. And then you have your screws right here, which I'm gonna put back into place, and then she'll be set, all good to go. All right, well, let's see if we get a start and make sure the signal lights are going. Make sure the light's good, and we should be good. All right, lights on. Looks like we're good. And that'll be it, guys. I hope y'all liked the video. I'll put some extra notes in the comments, in the description below, so you guys can follow along. Again, this is just a really quick video for changing out the fender. I've changed out the fender before on my bike, and it's a little bit more detailed, but since I've already done the video, this is just a really quick video on actually changing out the fender. So anyway, hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, you know what to do, baby. Tap in. Let's go. Alrighty, you are good to go. Nice clean fender, all put together.